Good afternoon, everybody. This is Alex in Master Odor Removal. It is the 31st of January, 2026. We're in this home that's going through rehab. They had 500 cats and 4 dogs. I'm here with Christine. Say hello, Christine. Say hello.
Hello.
All right. So you can see it's in the. They've torn out the flooring here, there, everywhere. They still left some issues like this door being open. We just hope cats aren't coming in here at night and respraying. The walls have holes in them. They left a bunch of stuff up there, not necessarily an odor magnet, but we're going to treat all the floors in here. This is a real hardcore one, by the way, everybody who's watching. This little bedroom here, and then a bathroom, and then you can see the ceiling is exposed for whatever reason. Not sure if it was mold or whatever, but there is mold upstairs. There's an air conditioning unit down here in this little section down here, but the central air is not working, and it's actually cold today. You don't see these every day, these old-fashioned intercom systems, very early 70s. A little storage space underneath the stairs. And then up the stairs where it really is a level 5 on a scale of 1 to 5. This is a 5. Cat urine. Again, another hole in the wall. They've ripped out the baseboards. We've inspected them with a black light. There are no urine crystals. But you can see that the dog or the cats actually peed against these drapes. So we're going to try to rip these out of here for her. It's one of our realtor clients. From one of the most prestigious real estate groups here in South Florida. There's actually urine on the back of this door, a closet door right there. Sorry, the lighting's not the greatest. But we'll go ahead and service that. The other issue is she's aware, or she's not aware, but this very much looks like black mold here and then right here, which is something that we do not service. Those need to come out. Here's the master bathroom, kind of cool, old-fashioned tub. And again, it is so strong in here, it's hard to breathe, to be honest with you. We've already done a UV blackout inspection. There was a cat door right here. We put this mirror over it so no cats can come in after our service and respray. This is where most of the cat urine problems are, right here in the master bedroom. And then right there, you can actually see that's just urine on the floor, actually. We don't need a light for that. That's urine. That's where the cat boxes, litter boxes were. And there's a hole in the floor right there. So we'll put some chemical in there the best we can. But this is, at this point, a mitigation, not a full removal, because there's just too many elements still left in here, but it will be an insane, wonderful job. There's actually a couple more bedrooms back there, but we'll make this video shorter for you. And then we're going to service the staircase, big time, this wood, because the urine's really saturated that. And then this outside alcove area where they were doing whatever they were doing, and it really smells out here as well. So we'll service the tile, we'll service the walls, we'll service the ceilings, just to kill all the bacteria that's still lingering. But interesting service, and we're ready for it, so we're here. It's about to get much colder, and if it was hotter, it would probably smell even worse than it does right now. But again, in stages of rehab, so we're just going to knock down the odor for them so they can put in the new flooring when they're ready. And that's really basically it. All right, so we are luxury home odor removal specialists, and we do look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.